Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable Metro Bundler background reload detailed guide step by step clearly. To disable Metro Bundler background reload, start by ensuring you are in your project directory. Open your terminal or command prompt. Next, locate your Metro configuration file. This file is usually named metro.config.js or metro.config.json. If it does not exist, you may need to open the configuration file in your preferred code editor. Within this file, look for the Watch Folders option. If Watch Folders is not present, you can add it manually. Set up the Watch Folders to include your project directory path. Next, locate the option for Server. If the Server section does not exist, add it. Inside the Server section, find the Enhance property. If it's not there, you can add it as well. Set the Enhance property to include a new function. This function will return an object with the getAssets property. Set getAssets to a function that returns an empty array. This prevents the Metro Bundler from reloading assets in the background. Save your changes to the configuration file. Now, return to your terminal or command prompt. Restart the Metro Bundler by entering the command. Type npx React Native start and hit enter. After restarting, the background reload feature should be disabled. Once your application is running, test your changes by modifying a file. You should notice that the app does not automatically reload anymore. This confirms that the background reload is successfully disabled. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.